When I stepped in as VP of Product Innovation at a leading footwear brand, I was tasked with reducing expense, accelerating production, and protecting design integrity. But the reality was different. Prototyping was slow, costly, and wasteful, adding weeks to timelines and racking up fees for discarded materials. With landfill charges rising and global supply chains policies become more unstable, I had to take quick actions. That's when I was introduced to Centaur Digital. Unlike the conventional approach, which relied heavily on traditional communication channels and physical production samples, often leading to increased waste, Centaur offered a more efficient alternative. They proposed shifting most of the process to digital and 3D formats. To reduce costs and turnaround time, and to minimize iterations, they introduced their advanced digital asset management solution to enable faster communication and decision-making. It started with transforming our 2D sketches into hyper-realistic 3D prototypes, capturing every stitch, texture, and sole contour with precision. Through their DAM platform, our teams could rapidly collaborate, iterate, and share feedback through internal chats. The built-in virtual try-on feature even lets us virtually experience the products. Their 24/7 support team ensured that feedback from our global offices turned into real-time updates, eliminating delays and miscommunication. Once implemented, our concept-to-production timeline dropped by over 40%, and prototyping costs were cut by nearly 70%. This drastically accelerates time to market. Centaur's digital asset management platform enabled our marketing team to effortlessly produce ready-to-publish e-commerce assets, including 3D visuals, 360-degree views, and virtual photography, within a single, integrated system. With Centaur, we streamlined our production workflow, unified departments, reduced costs, and significantly minimized physical waste, driving a complete digital transformation of our brand.